Here's a list of the parts you will need: a spool of 1/8-inch Feeney CableRail cable, 18 Quick Connect lag fittings, 18 Quick Connect lag tensioners. Each fitting comes with 2 hanger bolts, a short one that has 2 inches of lag thread for non-wrapped wood posts, and a long one that has 2.5 inches of lag thread for wrapped or sleeved wood posts. We'll be using the long hanger bolt for this installation. Here are the tools needed for installation: safety glasses, pencil, measuring tape, electric drill with 1/2-inch chuck, drill bits, hanger bolt installation tool, 7/16-inch socket wrench, high-strength thread locking compound, quick connect release tool, Sharpie felt pen, cable cutters, cable lacing needle, 2 3/8-inch open-end wrenches, Feeney tension gauge,